rule of troubleshooting electronics. Have you tried turning it off and then on again?
Yeah, but it still won't work. Motor doesn't want to start. Wonder if it's the wiring.
Attention, attention. The Office of the Alphabet is calling with an urgent career request.
Second rule of troubleshooting electronics in the lab. Always be prepared to press pause for a career alert.
Please stand by.
E. Excellent.
There are some great careers that start with the letter E.
Educators, like teachers and professors.
Engravers. Maybe someone who helps create the designs for dollar bills.
Engineers, there's literally 100 different fields they could work in.
Electrician. This one might come in handy.
It's a hands-on career for sure.
It is. And Sierra Dickerson is an electrician at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base.
Hi, Sierra.
Hello, Lab Squad.
Tell us a little bit about what you do as an electrician.
Well, there are three main categories of what electricians can do, and I am an indoor electrical wireman, and that basically is a construction level commercial industrial electrician. So I would do outlets and lights in a school or a hospital, but you could also do residential, or you could do a outdoor lineman, which is the people that do the power lines outside.
What other types of things do electricians do?
Well, you could use your base knowledge as an electrician to get into other careers. You could start your own electrical company. You could become a city inspector. You could become a project manager and be in charge of the job and look at the blueprints and manage material. Or you could become an engineer and actually build those blueprints.
Sierra, do you know how much electricity is used to light up the Empire State Building?
Actually, I do. They use 10 million watts of power at peak demand, and that's similar to 170,000 60-watt light bulbs.
Wow, that's a lot of light. So, what's your favorite thing about being an electrician?
My favorite thing about being an electrician is being able to be super active and working with my hands. With this job, you can switch up jobs every few months and see all of these different buildings and go to these places you wouldn't be able to go to otherwise.
Thanks for talking to us today, Sierra.
Thank you guys so much for letting me tell you what I do. Good luck with the rest of your careers.
Electricians really do have an important job. I mean, without access to safe electricity, many of the careers that we've investigated wouldn't even be possible.
Now we know who to call if the lights go out.
Or to check the wiring on my broken fan.
Before we fix that, we'd better get the word out to kids everywhere and spark their interest in this career.
I see what you did there.